So I've been getting these emails essentially saying that my Norton antivirus or something is going to be renewed at a cost of $249.58. And here's an example of another similar email I got a couple weeks ago. And I don't use this service, but it's pretty convincing that it makes it sound like it's something that I might have signed up for in the past. And if I wanted to cancel, I need to call them. So I am going to call them now and see what happens. It's very interesting the way they've put the phone number in here, not at all a US uh, format. So cross your fingers, see how this works.
Thank you for calling. If you know the extension of the party you are trying to reach, please enter it now. Otherwise, please remain on the line while your call is transferred. Cancellation and refund department. Speaking with Ryan Smith.
Um, I'm not sure why I reached the cancellation department. Um, this is just the support phone number.
The cancellation and refund.
Okay, can you maybe transfer me? Because I don't want to cancel. So I'm a little confused.
Tell me I can make you understand it, and if you are facing any kind of problem, I can help you.
Yeah, I guess so the program here is Norton. What is that? Norton, is that the antivirus software?
Cancellation and refund department. Like, let me tell you, this is the cancellation and refund department of Norton, and we provide service for computers, antivirus services. Okay.
Okay. So yeah, maybe I don't want that. Um I'm not sure when I signed up for that.
All right. Well, let me tell you which date you signed up for that. Could you please confirm me the invoice number, the last four digits? You can see on your email as well.
Yeah, it's
Confirm me, and I will put on my database, and I will let you know.
sure it's K651.
K651.
Yes.
All right. Give me a moment.
Okay.
Just give me a moment. All right. Like with the help of your invoice number, I can see in my system, like we are provided this for your computer on 31st of August 2019. And today's date, your subscription, your order has been expired, so that's the reason you get this email, just because the service we are provided to you last time, it's the auto renewal plan. Okay.
Okay. So I guess I go ahead. Go ahead.
Alright. As you received the email, it means a confirmation that you want to continue with this order, or you want to cancel this order in this.
I
You don't want this order no.
I don't think I don't think I wanna resubscribe.
Like it means you want to cancel it, right?
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I don't wanna pay
Alright.
this amount.
No, no issue, sir. So, like, in order to cancel, you need to fill up a cancellation form, which I will help you and guide you over this call how you can get the form. Okay.
Okay, where do I get the form?
So, I, I will help you. I will provide you our official Norton website to you. On the website, you can see the form over there. Just tell me, confirm me that. Are you in front of your computer in this moment?
Yes, I am.
Alright. And the computer service you are using in this moment is a Windows computer or it's an Apple device?
It's an Apple.
Sorry?
Apple. It's a Mac.
It's a Mac. Alright. And the computer, apart from the Mac, do you have any other computer or laptop, like Windows computer or laptop?
No, no, just this.
Alright, no issues. Just tell me, just try to open your Mac browser, like Google Chrome browser, Safari browser.
Yep,
Try to,
I'm in Chrome.
yeah.
Yep, I'm in Chrome.
And type over there on the Chrome browser. You can see the very top. There is a long white panel where you can search and type something for browsing. Your address bar. Can you see the address bar over there?
Yes.
Just type over there www.
Uh-huh.
A as in alpha, N as in Nancy,
Uh-huh.
Y as in Yankee,
Yep.
D as in David,
Yep.
E as in Echo,
Yep.
S as in Sugar,
Yep.
K as in Kilo.
Yep.
Then put a dot,
Yep.
like a period. Then C as in Cooper, O
Yep.
as in Oscar,
Yep.
M as in Mother.
Yep.
Just confirm me what you typed over there from
Yeah.
starting.
www.anydesk.com.
Alright. Now hit enter from your keyboard. And what page come up? To let me know.
It says remote desktop software.
Alright. Now let me tell you. Do you see there is a right side top? There is the options over there like solution, pricing, download, resource. Can you see that over there?
Yes, I see that.
Click on. Alright. And click on download. Click on download.
Okay.
And after that, do you see get any disk for Windows, email registration or installation required? Right. And below of that, you see a green box.
For download.
Download now, and below of the download now,
Yes.
you can see Windows, Mac OS, Android.
Yes.
Mac OS.
Yes.
Alright. Now, let me tell you, sir, in the situation, with the help of the software, I'm gonna connect you with our server. Alright. And after that, with the service is still running on your computer. We try to uninstall the service, like we try to clear each and every our services. And after that, you can see the form as well. So, with the help of this software, you need to click on Mac OS, and after that, click on Download Now.
So wait a minute. Can't I just cancel with my credit card?
Well, the thing is that, sir, the money is already deducted. You can see the statement within for 24 hours. So once you fill up a form, everything will be solved, and you will get back refund as well.
But can't I just dispute this with my credit card company? Because this seems a little like, I mean, it seems like a lot. Instead of just telling, normally I just tell you I want.
It will hardly take 5 minutes of your time, not more than that. Alright.
Yeah, I guess I'm just gonna wait for the 24 hours and cancel it with my credit card company. Thank you for your time.
On that time, the amount will be deducted from your account, and you are not able to claim back your refund. Try to understand the situation. On that time, like after 24 hours, you will not able to get back your refund.
But I can cancel something with my credit card company and they'll give me my money back.
How you can cancel that if the amount is not in your account? The money will deduct it from your account. You have to be you have to cooperate with me, right? Help you, and I will give you the solution. I will give you the form as well.
No, I think I'm just going to work with my credit card company because they'll just take the money and give it back to me.
All right, as you wish.
Did you hang up? Yep, looks like you hung up. So that's the scam. So essentially what they're doing is they're getting you to call, asking you to go to a website to install software that's going to give them access to control your computer. And then at that point, they'll probably take you to some website that looks like it's totally legit. However, they will be installing software onto your computer to steal your passwords or access anything. So clearly, this is clearly a bad idea to have someone. I mean, this is remote. This is pretty obvious. I thought it would be a little less obvious than this, but it's essentially remote control software giving them access to dig into your computer and do whatever they want. So clearly, don't call this phone number. Don't get involved with these people. I just wanted to know what the scam was because normally they have you click a link and then it starts this whole process. But to call, that was kind of an interesting process. And clearly, they were saying that if it was charged on your credit card, you couldn't get your money back, but you of course can. So if you have any questions with your credit card, go to your credit card company. Don't go to these websites that are claiming to charge you, so that you can get your credit card, you get your money back, and they will work with whatever company supposedly took your money. But however, I can guarantee you that within 24 hours there will be no charge on my credit card because it's just a scam. So hopefully that is helpful to you.